Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to speed up Windows 11 by turning off visual effects for better performance. This is super useful if your laptop feels slow or laggy. Alright, let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Start menu and open Settings. Then, go to System and click on About. Now, scroll down and click Advanced System Settings. A new window will pop up. Under Performance, click Settings. Here, you will see Visual Effects options. Select Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off unnecessary animations and effects. Click Apply. Then OK. Done! Your Windows 11 should feel faster and smoother now. Less animation, more performance. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.